hadith collection of Ustedh by Imam Hakim, that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us about a man. He lived on an island. He lived on an island and he worshipped there for 500 years. 500 years. So finally Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent the angels to him to take his soul. And they brought him before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told him, Udkhul jannati birahmati. Enter my Jannah because of my mercy, by way of my mercy. And the man says, no, by my deeds. By my deeds. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, okay. He tells the angels, calculate my blessings against his deeds. So the angels began calculating all the blessings of the eyes, the blessings of the ears, the blessings of the tongue, the blessings of the stomach, the blessings of the hands, the blessings of the legs, the blessings of the feet. And the angels, according to that calculation, they said he owes 500 years of worship just for his eyes. So now he's short. He's short. He doesn't have 500 years of worship for all the other blessings. 500 years of worship for his ears, 500 years of worship for his tongue, 500, you see? So then now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, throw him in the fire. Then the man says, no, Ya Rabbi, bi rahmatik, by way of your mercy. I want to go in by way of your mercy. So this hadith, it lets us know we are overflowing in blessings, inwardly and outwardly. Ones we recognize, ones we don't recognize. The point, be shakir. Shakir. Be someone who's always in a state of gratitude.